In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a document library in SharePoint Online. From the home page of your site, go to gear icon and choose Add an app from the drop-down. In SharePoint, libraries and lists are called apps. From the list of apps, you will find the document library at the top. Click on the document library tile. Once you have done that, name your document library and choose Create button to complete the process. Once the document library is created, you will see it in the site content. Click on it to open the created document library. Once your document library is created, it is ready to upload documents. You can do this in two different ways. You can either create a new document or upload already existing one. To create a new one, you just come to the new menu, then choose the document type you want to create. I'm going to choose Excel document for this case, and it opens the document in the browser. You can change the name and it will automatically save the document. Then you can go back to the document library or SharePoint site and you can see your documents in the document library. The second option you have is to upload document. You can do that by going to Upload button and choosing from File, Folder or Template. If you choose File, it is going to prompt you to upload document. Choose the file and upload it. Here is my file. In this video, I showed you how to create a document library, create a new file and upload file. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share them with your friends and don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting new videos every week.